Hi guys, so in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat loading problem. First thing, open the settings, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it and disable it. Go back, open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, go to Snapchat, click on this option right here, and then go to the storage or the internal storage as you can see, and then all what you want to do is click on clear data and click down here on delete. Now go back, click on the permissions and make sure that all the permissions are enabled right here, and the last thing you want to do is restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial.